Am I the a-hole for refusing to stay somewhere else so my mom can have sex? It's my 19 female birthday on Saturday, and I planned to go out drinking and come home to sleep after I was done. My mom, 43 female, came into my room the other day asking me if I want to go and stay somewhere on that Saturday night so she can have her man over to do the deed. I was obviously upset by this and told her I planned on coming home as I wanted to sleep in my own bed. She then insisted that I go and stay with a friend, because she didn't want to have to go out to do whatever. My twin siblings would also be out of the house. They are 5 and staying with my grandparents. I said it is not my problem that she wants someone to stay over and I will be coming home to sleep. She then told me that she would be loud and make sure to wake me up to hear, and made it clear she did not want me home. This could have been a joke, but either way, that is not normal to say that to your child, right? For context, I have been hearing my mom have sex with her boyfriends at the time since I was around 10 years old, and I had complained multiple times after hearing this. I obviously don't want to come home and hear my mom having sex, but I also want to sleep at home as it is my bed, and I too live there. We've been going back and forth on this, and now I'm going to stay somewhere else, but I still feel like she is in the wrong for asking me to leave in the first place. I don't know what to think. I understand where she is coming from, but still, am I the a-hole? Hey guys, I feel like I need to clear some things up. First of all, no, I do not pay rent because simply I cannot afford to. I live in the UK, so there is no underage drinking. I cannot simply just move out, that is easier said than done. And when I get to uni next year, I do plan on leaving, and my mom also agrees that then will be the best time for me to move. I am still in full-time education and have a part-time job, so let's not be so harsh on the fact that I still live with my mom. I understand the privilege of living at home rent-free, but it doesn't take away from the fact that my own mom wants to get me out the house so she can have sex with someone. Some of you asked about the boyfriend, and yes, he does have his own home, it's just in another city and I've personally never met him. People had a lot to say about this Reddit story. First comment says, I just don't understand why the mom can't go round to her BFs. Mom sounds very selfish. Someone replied, maybe the BF's wife would mind. Second comment says, intentionally having sex so loud that your own children can hear it is darn disgusting. This is a form of SA. The fact that she's been complaining about it since she was 10 and she still does it is even worse. Someone added, my petty side would grab an air horn and blow it every time I heard even the slightest sound from them. I'm not saying anyone should be listening to me. All I'm saying is an air horn is louder than sex. Someone else added, my daughter was in college and grad school and I knew she was having sex herself. But when she was home on school breaks, my long-term friend, who she really liked, and I never were intimate in my home. We went to his place or to a hotel. Never had to even discuss it with him. It was an automatic change even the first time. Someone replied, exactly. When I was dating around after divorce, I never brought guys home one, unless it was serious enough to warrant introduction, and 2, always did our adult activities at their place or when my kids were not home. And the last comment we will be featuring says, NTA and the number of people saying you're an a-hole and you should just leave the house or something prove how detached of reality those peoples are. You literally hear your mom having sex since you're 10, and she literally threatens you with being loud during the deed, especially when you complained about it. A kid shouldn't have to hear their parents have sex, especially when it's multiple strangers. It can be traumatizing. She can still have sex with whoever she wants, but the kids just don't need to hear it. And yeah, I know. The kids should be out of the house at 18 are gonna come and be like, well, it's not her house. Yes, it is. She literally have the same rights as her mom even if she doesn't pay rent. And she literally got out of high school at 18. Or maybe later, not even yet if she's got held back for a year or more. But I guess the parents ready to throw out their kids immediately when they turn 18 can't think of that or other scenarios where life isn't all rose-tinted and easy. So guys, if you enjoyed this short Reddit story, please subscribe to the channel for more stories and like the video to get the video out to more people. But before you check out another video on the channel, do you believe this writer was an a-hole or was she justified? Have you ever been in a similar situation? What did you do? Share your thoughts with us. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Love.